That's right, we are at the home of Wrexham Football Club to have a little look at what's going on with this new Kop stand. We did do a video a couple of weeks ago, and this is the follow-up to that video as promised. So last time we come, they were still flattening the surfaces of where the stand used to be. You'll see in the video that's coming up, the surface is now completely flat, so they can start building the foundations for the new stand to start being erected. Look at that, welcome to Wrexham. These videos are going to be bi-weekly, so I'll be down each and every other week to give you an update on what's going on. So be sure to subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment on the video if you have got any comments or questions, and we'll try and find any answers out that we can. But right now, let's get into this video. The sun is shining in my eyes, sorry. Let's get into this video and see what we think. Take care of yourselves and we'll see you soon. Let's see if we can catch a little sneak peek from the ground before we get up in the air. So as I said, nice and flat. Right, it's time to get up in the sky and see what it looks like from above.